If your actions inspire someone to do more and feel better, then you're a leader. Leadership is a journey that sometimes is very lonely. When you're up there and you have all these responsibilities and you have to have the vision and guide people and inspire people to move forward. There are two interventions that can actually help you on your leadership journey. These are mentoring and coaching. And I am particularly passionate about both of them. Mentoring is walking with someone on a path that they have been before. A journey which is able to share experiences and thoughts. So when you have a mentor, that is someone who has been on that path ahead of you. They can tell you what to do and also what to avoid in order to make sure that you don't make the same mistakes that they made. On the other hand, coaching is a slightly different intervention. Coaching is about exploring one's potential, about helping you be the very best that you can be. And each of us needs to work with a coach, a trusted person who is skilled at allowing you to express yourself and to think through how you would like to move from point A to point B. So both coaching and mentoring are very useful. But because of their fundamental difference, you find that at different times, you need to use a different intervention. So if you're looking for someone to tell you what to do and to give you advice and guidance, then mentoring is for you. Look for a mentor, someone you respect, someone you can engage with, someone who's willing to share their journey with you so that you can learn from them. If, on the other hand, you're interested in finding the answers, in growing, whether it is in your career or in your academic life or even in your personal life, then a coach is the person who you need to work with. And the coach will help you to see what sometimes you might not want to see, but you know that you must see in order for you to grow. So leadership does not have to be a lonely journey. Both coaching and mentoring can help you along that journey. Reach out and look for a mentor or a coach. Both will be able to support you and to help you grow.